This is the reason why I fall in love with hiking. It's because of my first hike in Lake Holon. I was amazed of God's creation, and the peace that I felt during that climb was unexplainable. To only hear the birds, the trees, the flow of water, just to be mesmerized by nature. I'm able to release a lot of stress and get energized again to face the realities of life. They said that there is a story on every mountain. So after a month, we decided to climb Mount Matuto.
Dahan-dahan lang, sa gitna man ng daan, mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama nang sinag sa iyong kutis na kayo manggiyosan ba ako dinadala?
Bawat ngiti biglang nabura, iyong naipinta, hiwaga ng iyong tingin nang naalipin kahit saan man madala.
Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong ka pa